Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals and double integrals. So I will show you the technique about triple integrals. We have 4 dv and we have 3 powers in here. So we need to arrange. First we have z, that is from 0 to s. The next one, this is for s. And the last one, this is for dy. And that should be from 1 to negative number 1. And now we need to answer this integration. About this one, we got about dz, so we got about for z, and we have the powers in here. So we put about s into z. So you got about 4s ds the integral of 4s, you got about 2s squared, and we put the powers in here. And you will got about 2y to the power of 4 minus 2 dy, and you got about 2y to the power of 5 over 5 minus 2y, and we put the boundaries in here. We put negative number 1 in here and here, number 1 in here and here. So you got the final answer. That should be about number 16 over 5. The next one is about double integrals. So we have sy squared. We put dy. So dy from negative number 1 to number 1. ds, that should be from 0 to number 2. The integral of y squared, you got about y to the power of 3 over 3, and we put the powers in here. So you got about 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So you got about 2 over 3. And now we got the final answer. Two and 2 that simplify, so you got about s squared over 3, and you got about 2 squared over 3, and you got about 4 over 3. That's the end. Thank you for watching.